Hey, what's up, y'all? My name is Crystal Janelle, owner of Faithfully Fierce and Faithfully Created School Community and digital product creator. I'm going to tell you today how I made $500 while cleaning out my daughter's closet and folding laundry. No second job, no pyramid scheme. And if you're a mom working a 9 to 5, trying to figure out how to make passive income without burning yourself out, this is exactly for you. I'm going to show you and tell you how I set up a silent income stream that works while I don't have to. Now, let's be honest for a second. Free time as a mom, that's a myth. If we get 15 minutes of quiet time, we're not trying to start another job. We're just trying to breathe. But the bills, the groceries, this economy, it doesn't work that way. So you're stuck in a cycle. You need more money, but you don't have enough time. And most make money online advice is built for people who have hours and energy to spare, but we don't have that. But if you're a mom on the 9 to 5 grind, exhaustion is real and you want a second income. Now I'm going to show you a simple shortcut and how we can automate the entire process because the real shift isn't trading your time, it's building something that will give back. So, story time. A couple of months ago, I hit a wall. We were okay, but there was no extra, no flexibility, no breathing room. I tried surveys, I tried reselling, all of that was pocket change. And I remember sitting in the playroom just thinking, I want to make money, but I don't want to miss another moment either. I didn't want another job. I needed something that worked with my life, not against it. That's when I found out about digital products. And here's what changed everything. People just don't buy big things, they buy simple solutions. Meal planners, chore charts, routine trackers, grocery lists. Not exciting, but it's extremely profitable. And I'm going to show you how one boring niche can quietly make money right now. You don't have to start from scratch because I use ready made templates, customized them quickly, and uploaded them to a platform that works for me 24/7. I didn't spend hours. It took a few simple minutes just to create, and boom, it worked. So here's the exact framework that I used. Pick a simple, boring niche. Busy moms buy things that save time and reduce stress. Use the shortcut. Use PLR templates or done for you products and make quick edits in Canva and market them as your own. Set up your beacon store, generate traffic on social media, Facebook groups, and this is where the passive income rolls in. Customers download it instantly, no shipping, no delivery, no back and forth. And when you set that exact price point, they start buying instead of scrolling. You can live while your digital product becomes an asset, and it doesn't take weeks. But let me keep it real with you. This isn't an overnight success. My first week, I made $12. The second week, I made $45. But then it started building and compounding because once it's set up, it keeps working. If you're a mom on a 9 to 5 trying to create passive income, this is what it actually looks like in real life. Not instant, but consistent. And $500 a month, that's a real impact. So here's the shift. Stop trading your time for small money. Create something simple. Use tools to save time. Put it somewhere that works for you, like beacons, and let it grow. This isn't about doing more. This is about doing smarter. And if you're a mom on the 9 to 5 grind and you're serious about building passive income without burnout, I put everything you need to get started inside my beacons. I'll drop the link below. So make sure you check it out. Also, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I'll show you how to create your first product, get it loaded on your store, and start making some serious side money and maybe even transition to a full time job. And trust me, this is only the beginning. So stay tuned, like, subscribe to my channel, stay blessed, not stressed.